Actually, sinimulan ko siyang mag-isa. So, kasi nga, dati, way back then, sabi ko, pangarap kong makapag-travel abroad. So, paano ko ba siya gagawin? Wala akong pera. Kasi empleyado lang ako dati eh. Sabi ko, why not? I started home base, pinag-aralan ko siya. Nung ready na ako, nagtayo ako ng branch, which is my first branch, tinayo ko siya sa Pateros, going back 8 years ago. So, after that, while I'm working in the bank, pinagsabay ko siya working in the bank at the same time yung business ko. Nakapag-travel ako abroad. Actually, ngayon, I went into 167 country
Wow,
internationally at the
amazing.
age of 27, which I'm very proud of. So, sinimulan ko siya 8 years ago, which is natutunan ko din siya when I started, of course, when you have a business, it's very important to have a self-confidence.
Yes,
That
totoo.
you need to believe on what you do. If others don't believe you, then believe yourself that you can.
Tama
That's
po
the
yun.
secret of success. Because in life, what you attract is what you become.
Yeah.
Yun yung naging foundation ko kung bakit nasaan ako ngayon. Actually, yung mentor ko when I started before, I love to connect with people who is successful in business, who is successful in life. Kasi,
Hinahanap mo talaga yung mga successful na yun para...
hinahanap ko and I
Mahilig
love to
ka
connect.
mag-explore.
Mahilig ako mag-explore. In short, parang mahilig ako mag-explore. Yan dun yung curiosity. Bakit kaya niyang gawin? Bakit hindi ko kaya? So I love to ask question. For you to be good on what you do in life, you need to ask question. At the same time, dapat willing ka to learn every day.
Yes, totoo
Even
yan.
you are on the top, life is a process of learnings. Kasi the more na you are willing to learn every day, you will get more knowledge. Not necessary. It's easy to be successful. Just copy successful people. Because what you attract, what you become.
Yes. Kung kaya nila, kaya ko din.
Yes,
Parang
kaya
sina-challenge
ko
mo yung,
din. Yes.
yung sarili mo, ma'am, di ba?
Yes, ganon. So, talagang I give challenges in life. So, kailangan every day, you learn to appreciate on what you do. In little achievement, kailangan, ano ba ako yesterday at ano ba ako today?
Ngayon,
So, talagang ang layo na nang na-achieve ko. Kasi, if success in life success is result of your sacrifices and hardship. So, kapag nalampasan mo yan, then that's the time you will get the success in life.
Yeah.